So today I'm going to show you how to paint a really simple mermaid illustration with watercolor paints. This is something that would be great to do with kids. So the first thing you're going to do is just make an oval shape for the head. I'm using all round paintbrushes to do this project. And then you're going to add a little small square for the neck and just an outline of another circle below, and these are actually going to be the arms. In the center of this circle, make an hourglass shape, and then add a little round at the bottom of that. So you have two circles now with an hourglass rounded at the bottom. Next, you're going to take your color for the tail and just make a swoop coming out. So just a really swoopy S-shaped organic form. And then you're going to fill that all the way in whatever color you want. And next we're going to go ahead and add the hair. This is really fun. So you're going to go ahead and start by just outlining around the head with your hair color. And then you're going to add a little more water to your paint and you're going to start going around in circular motions. So you're starting by outlining around your head shape with watercolor paint with just a little bit of water in it, and you're gradually going to add more water, moving your brush in circular motions so that the hair kind of clouds out from the head. That's going to give it a really fun, flowy look like the mermaid's underwater. For the tail, we're taking a different color and just making two teardrop shapes coming out of our little S-curve shape that we have. And you can make your tail curve in whatever direction you want. It's up to you, whatever shape you want to make it. You can be really fun and creative with this. There's really no wrong way to do it. And now we're going to add the scales. So I dipped my brush into a darker green, the same color that I used for the end of her tail, and I'm just tapping with the tip of my brush, just up and down, stamping little oval shapes for the scales going all the way down our tail. And now we're going to add our little shell bikini here. And next I'm just adding some streaks in the purple to match the swimsuit top, just going down the tail. And now you can decorate your mermaid. You can put a little flower in the hair like I'm doing with a smaller round brush, or you can make some fish kind of swimming through her hair, put some leaves, some seaweed, whatever you want to do. And now I'm just using the same brown that I used for her skin, but watering it down a little bit less so it's darker. And I'm just outlining her hands right here, putting a squiggly line down the center to show her fingers interlocking, add a little dot for the belly button, and then I'm outlining the bottom of her chin. And I'm using a small detail brush while I do this, and I'm also adding two little arches for the eyes, a small little side-facing triangle for the nose. Then I'm taking some red and also adding two little short arches for her eyebrows. And now I think I'm gonna grab some purple and just making a real simple little smiley face. So for this whole project, you're just using really simple shapes and the result is just adorable. It's a lot of fun. Again, would be so great to do with kids. I actually painted outside today, so you can go ahead and take your paints outside if it's a nice day. And now I'm adding some color to the cheeks. So I just add a little bit of purple to the cheeks. Thank you for watching. We'd love to see your mermaid creations. If you'd like to send us a photo in the comments and show us what you made. Thanks.